Hello guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom brushes in Photoshop, and this is a guide for personalized tool. We will also dive deeper into using channels, creating brush, and adjusting brush. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started! So I got an image here with a lightning, and our goal here is to just get this lightning and get rid all of this excess here. And once we're done with it, we're going to convert this lightning into a brush. So the first step to do that, we are going to the channels panel. Once we're there, we're going to choose which one has the best contrast. Okay. For green,
This is the contrast. And for red, this is the contrast like.
and now we're going to drag this red here in this box with a plus sign in the middle. That means we're going to add another layer of it. We're going to create a copy of this layer. Right, now you can see that we just created another copy of the red. Now after that, we're going to the black turn darker and the light ones brighter. So to do that, we're gonna select on this the red copy layer that we just created, and then we're gonna go to the level. So to do that, you just have to press Ctrl plus L, and this one will pop up. So let me repeat that. To make that appear, you just have to press Ctrl plus L. Right, so to adjust the levels. Okay. Now, let's adjust it. Okay, so just what I've said a while ago, I want the black ones darker and the light ones brighter. Okay, so let's just keep on adjusting this one. All right. Okay, so actually we're just focusing on the lighting because this is the one that we are really trying to get.
So let's just keep on adjusting this one to reveal the lightning.
And in my case, this one is good. All right, now let's select OK.
Next thing I'm gonna do,
I'm going to hold Control or Command for Mac and then click the picture here. So once I click that, you will notice that there's an outline from the white ones. Once we get all of those outlines, now let's go back to the layer. So we're going back to the layers, and now we're going to add a layer mask. Now you can see here that all the things that are black a while ago was removed, except our lightning bolt. Now I'm going to hold Alt and click on this layer mask that we just created, and this one appears. Our goal here is to remove all those white excess and let the lightning stays there. To do that, let's just click on this and then select tool brush and make sure that it's in black for us to remove all those excess white. Okay, so you just keep on brushing it, keep on drawing. Okay, so this one looks perfect. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other nerds like us. So here, we now have this clean cut of this lightning. And now we're gonna exit this layer mask view by holding Alt and then click on this layer mask once again. And it shows this image. Now you can see all the other excess are removed while this one remain. So once we're done with this, we're going to create a new document. So let's go to File and let's select New, and then let's put the width to 9 and the height to 9. That's fine. And let's just create. Okay, so we just created this new document. So let's go back to that image again. To create the brush, we're going to hold this move tool and then drag it to the new document that we just created. Okay, and there you go. Once I drag it, you can see, wow, it's not yet here. Why? Okay, because we're going to adjust the size of it by adjusting it with the use of the transformation command. Okay, so let's click on this layer. Once we click on it, press Ctrl plus T. Okay, and look at this. I'm going to move this one here. Alright, now you can see that's our lightning, right? Okay, so let's make it smaller. Right, so let me adjust first this let's just zoom it out first. Okay, let's select this one. All right, see that one? Look how big the image is, because the document that we just created is just small. I already put it in the middle of our canvas. Once we're done with this, just select OK. We already created this lightning here, but we need to turn this one into black so that Photoshop will recognize which ones to copy for our brush later on. So I'm gonna make this one black now by selecting our image here and then hold Alt plus delete. Okay, so you can see the lightning just turn black. So I repeat, to do that, you just have to hold Alt plus delete. Now everything in my lightning layer already turns black. Now to converting this into brush, let's go to Edit, and then let's select Define Brush Preset, and then let's give it a name. Yeah, this brush name preset is, let's call this one as Lightning. And then select OK. Alright, now you can see on my mouse cursor, it just created the brush. Alright, cool, right? So now let's go to the other document and let's apply it. Okay, so for example, this image. Okay, so now let's apply this now. Alright, and oops, why is it black? Alright, because the color of the brush that we're using here is black. So we have to switch it to white by pressing X. Okay, and there you go. Amazing, right? So you can also adjust the options of it to make it smaller. Okay, so for the brush size, let's make it to smaller size. Right? So for example, it seems like this lightning is far away. If you want to change its color, just double click on this, and then let's say you want a blue color, a blue color. Alright, let's adjust it to 1000. Alright, let's connect it to the sky. Ooh, this looks better. And that is how to create custom brushes in Photoshop.